Alright guys, welcome to my research final project. So my interest and my chosen branch. So let me go ahead and start with the interest. So out of all the lab projects I've done in Introduction Engineering 101, I choose the Arduino. I feel like the Arduino, I enjoy doing it because it's really hands-on. I've been always a really hands-on person with strong visual skills, so that definitely wasn't a problem to complete and to perform. Second would be the coding. So with the coding process, that was actually a little bit of a challenge for me because I'm completely new to coding. I've never done it in my life, um, but still need to improve on how to put the coding code into the Arduino board just so that it can function successfully. Um, and the third one would be that Arduino has a lot of good projects. I feel like Arduino has a variety of projects that you could do. The first one I did was the single blinking LED light. For my lab project two with Arduino, I try to turn on several LED lights at the same time, and that would blink back to back with different colors. But that didn't end up successfully because of the coding process. And like again, I'm still struggling with the coding situation and putting it into the Arduino board. But again, I like being in challenging situations, learning new things. So definitely wasn't impatient about that. So my chosen branch. So I chose mechanical engineering because I enjoy math and physics. I love solving problems and finding creative solutions and also working with others. I feel like mechanical engineering, it could be broadly classified into following subparts. It could be done in manufacturing, refrigeration, robotics, aerospace, automobile, and energy. In my opinion, I feel like mechanicals, they kind of run the world. They make common people life easier and provide them comfort. Overall, I feel like the main aspect of this branch of engineering is looking towards a problem to find a viable solution to it. So that is something that I see myself doing for the rest of my life. And industrial engineering as well. I feel like that's something similar to mechanical engineering. So how is Arduino useful to a mechanical engineer? So it's useful because nowadays automation could be deployed in any area of engineering. For an example, it could be many mechanical devices now requiring automation to be applied to do it for a better productivity, um, user interface, etc. A big one, a big one would also be mechanical mechatronics. Mechatronics is such a recognized area of application where automation plays a major role. I feel like Arduino is a popular development board which innovators, they use to build their products and prototypes. It could have a lot of usage in the following applications. So I listed three applications below. Number one would be robotics. I feel like robots nowadays are playing a major role in manufacturing industries for assembling, transportation, and etc. Uh, you know, it, it definitely would be a good application. Second application would be monitoring devices. So there are several applications in mechanical engineering exist where where they need to monitor any parameters via sensors like temperature of coils, fluid levels, uh, or pressure, etc. I feel like when it comes to that case, Arduino comes into play. Um, the third application would be aero modeling slash UAV applications. I feel like Arduino could be used in UAV aircrafts or drones for several control and measurement applications. So, I feel like Arduino could be used, it's useful to a mechanical engineering when coming to that spectrum. So my difficulties with Arduino would be the coding. I'm completely new to it, so I'm looking for someone with a little bit of more knowledge when it comes to the coding. Um, like again, like I like learning new things and I like being in challenging situations, so would definitely be really patient when coming to learning about more of the coding process and how to put the proper code into the Arduino board. So last one would be collaborator requirements. Uh, The requirements that I would want my collaborator to have is time management. I feel like time management is really important. I feel like time management would avoid procrastination, and plus it would have a smooth time frame in completing the project. Second would be communication. I feel like communication is a big key because it definitely, with fast communication, we could answer each other's questions in a timely manner, and always curious about to see if we have any problems or concerns with coming to the project. Third would be opening to new ideas for creative results. I feel like new ideas, they create creative results, and those creative results make make projects successfully in a way. Last one would be fun-minded. Could be fun-minded, laid back, open-minded, just being really understanding when coming to coming to talk about different ideas and how can we make projects successfully uh, better, and how can we imply that into our presentation. So that's definitely just the simple requirements I look for in a collaborator. All right. Thanks for watching, guys.